Today I'm going to show you how I attached the embroidery patch on this shirt. If you want to know how I separated this pattern, I have previous video on that, how I separated this pattern with soldering iron. You can watch that. I'll attach the link in description. First, I tried to attach with the pins, but it was not working because it was thick, so I used clips to attach it. Now you can see how I'm placing it where I want to attach so it doesn't move anywhere. Now it's attached, time to stitch. After that, I started stitching, as you can see how I'm doing it. Some of the area was thick, so I had to push a fabric from opposite side to do the stitching so it doesn't stuck inside the machine. I stitched it from all the sides, so embroidery patch is fully attached with the fabric. From the thick part, it was challenging to stitch because fabric was hard to move and stick in one place, so I had to struggle with that to let out. From here, I'm stitching like it's shaped, as you can see. Final result.